Yes, so today's video is a simple one. Anyways, let me just show you this phone. For some reason, when I put in an MTN line, it does not allow to make calls. So I wanted to show you in this video how that is, and let me put in the line and show you what I mean. So now I've plugged that SIM card in. Let's just wait for it to read. And anyway, let me remove airplane mode. I had placed it there earlier on because someone was over calling, and this is a client's phone under repair. Now the network bars are there showing, so let me go right in and attempt to call myself and see if this phone will be able to call. It actually hangs out chop chop, but I just want to show you before I show you the solution. Let me call this number, centrifuge mechanic, and it just says call ended, and that is a bit weird and disturbing. Let me attempt again. Calling, call ended. Let me try another number. That one, Dr. Dale calling, nothing. So anyway, let me show you how to solve this. The solution is to simply hard reset the phone. Actually, not hard reset, reset it from inside if you actually know the password. But for my case, I had to first back up the contacts, back up the person's WhatsApp, back up the file, the pictures and everything, and up APKs. But that's for another video. Oh, by the way, hit the subscribe button because every Saturday we shall be bringing you hands-on repair solutions, and then on Tuesday will bring you the theory behind the repairs. But we shall start teaching on Tuesday when we hit 100 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button so that we reach there much quickly and start our video tutorials. So the next thing that I need to say is that after showing you hands-on repair, we shall always review the solution or the concepts involved in the solution. But anyway, let's proceed with this one and go into the settings. Where is it? Because we want to reset it, so we're going to the settings, systems. After systems, we have reset options. Now I'm going to erase everything because I backed up this phone. Now it asks me to verify with the pin. I'll do just that and proceed. And then it asks me saying erase all question mark, then all of your personal information including downloaded apps and sims will be deleted. You can't undo this action. Yes, please erase all the data. I backed up and it will reboot, and as it reboots, let's take this moment to hit the subscribe button, and by the way, share this video with a friend because we are going to start teaching repairs as both hobby and a business, so that you'll be able to fix all those home appliances, electronics and gadgets. Right now we are dealing with a smartphone, and this phone just couldn't call with an MTN line. For some reason with the Airtel line it could actually perfectly call, which was a bit ridiculous. So now I'm going to reset it. I initially performed a system update to no avail. I did a reset of app preferences to no avail, but any of those should solve this problem, but for this case none of them worked, so we have opted for the hard reset, but the reset. Okay, it's like a hard reset but from the inside, and the one whereby you don't get disturbed to verify your Google account. Welcome to this channel, and please tell a friend about this channel. I am here just to show you that this is going to get solved, and thanks for everyone who has already subscribed, and I noticed we increased by one, and thank you, Edward, for the nice comments, and please do comment if you are new to the channel. Let me know that you have newly subscribed, and I shall say thank you personalized to you. Now this resetting process always takes some time, so this is going to reboot for some time, and you will have to bear with that as we wait for it to finish. So it's there at XOS. I don't know what XOS stands for, but previously they used to call it chameleon. I don't know whether X is supposed to be chameleon, but anyways, I think I am very impressed that you guys are all watching the videos, and every time I upload the videos, at least I'm getting views that are more than the subscribers, which gives me faith that you're liking the videos. And oh, if it's okay with you guys, you can always make suggestions and requests. It's fine, because when I start to teach repairs, I want to bring something extremely more systematic. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, you could watch them to just sample what to expect and more from this channel. So we are dedicated to teaching you repairs both as a hobby and as a business. And yeah, this involves hardware, so we shall teach you the physics. Anyway, we are here, so we are going to hit the start to set up this phone. And from here, let me see, hit the start right there. I believe I've hit it, and I'm going to choose the country as Uganda right there. That's Uganda. And next. Okay, this one's going to be slow. I'm going to skip that because I don't really need it. I have skipped it, so it's proceeding. Let me see. Oh, yes, I agree. Then next, after hitting next, next, where are we? Yeah, then it brings me to this, and scroll up to the bottom and then hit on accept. And then now here it says community has blah blah blah. I'm going to simply skip that, so hit skip. And then it asks me whether I want to skip anywhere, and then it brings me to this. I also don't need to security set right now. I'm going to skip that anyways, and hit OK. And then so forcibly removing, long press power button. Is this sort of like a tutorial? I don't need that, so I have just hit on that, and it is booting up. So it has boot up, and the line is already showing right there and saying 4G. Now I'm going to attempt to make that call again and see if I succeed. Since now I don't have contact list anymore after resetting, I'm going to just dial it manually and then see what becomes of it. Okay, I've hit the call button, resend, Uganda calling. This should be successful. Call calling condition, you can hear it call, and it's calling on the other phone that I'm recording with. And please, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and like to learn new videos anytime soon, to learn repairs, and every time a new video comes up, so you don't miss out. Thank you. See you in the next video.